In this lesson, we're going to work with the welcome page of weather application. When the user will open the application first time, then he will see this welcome page or getting started page. Alright, after pressing this button, the user will be redirected to the weather page, and there he can see the weather details. Now let's say the user will close the application, and again if he will open the application, then this time the user will not see the welcome page. Okay, so we'll create that kind of functionality where the welcome page will only be shown once. So let's get a new content page in .NET MAUI project. And we name it welcome page. Alright, in this page we're going to add few controls. First of all, let's set the content page color. Then we'll add a stack layout, and in this stack layout we'll add one image, 3 labels and 1 button control. The code is very simple, and there I'm going to use the code which I have already written just to save the time. Don't worry, I have provided this sample code along with this video. Okay, now we'll get a clicked event of this button control, and here we go. In this clicked event, we want to navigate to the weather page. So we'll use navigation.pushModelAsync, and there we'll pass the weather page. Then in the app.xaml.cs file, we'll set the main page equals welcome page. Now let's run this application, and we'll see this welcome page. After pressing this button, we'll be redirected to the weather page. Now if we'll stop the application and again run this, then we'll see this welcome page. So in the next lesson, I'll show you how to display the welcome page only once. Alright, I'll see you in the next lesson.